Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find saved posts on Reddit application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the Reddit application, and once you're on this page, on your home page, for example, you are just scrolling down like this and this and this, and you came across a post like this, and you have saved this post like this one by tapping on three dots on the top right of the post, and then tap on this save, and it's saying that post is being saved. And now if you wondered that where all these posts go, you'll have to tap on your profile on the top right corner, and right under Reddit Premium you will be able to find an option of saved. You'll have to tap on it, and right on this page you'll be able to find all the saved posts. You can see this post, I've just saved this post, and all of these posts appear on this page. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit